Hello guys, I am Mr. Jimmy. I will give you the review for the third partial exam of biology of 10th grade. Okay guys, we're gonna start with the chapter 5, cell growth and division. Lesson 5.1, the cell cycles. This is on page 126. You have a vocabulary. Over here guys, you have to study the 3 definitions for each word. In this page, you have a circle. This circle is the cell cycle. Have 4 main stages. You have to memorize for the exam each part of the cell cycle. All these parts you have to memorize for the exam. This circle, this cell cycle is on page 126, figure 1.1. Okay, next page, you have another 3 definitions, mitosis, cytokinesis. Okay, memorize all this definition. Next page, next lesson, in this case we are in lesson 5.2, mitosis and cytokinesis. Again guys, you have some words, definition, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 words to memorize guys. Remember over here in this lesson, you have the phases of the mitosis. For example, we have prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Okay, that's on page 130. You will find the different definition, the different words. You have to memorize all those definitions. Over here, guys, you have the stage of the mitosis. Number 1 is prophase, number 2 metaphase, anaphase, third one, and the last one is telophase. That's on page 132. Okay, we're gonna move. Next lesson, that's lesson 5.3, regulation of the cell cycle. Again, guys, you have over here some words in the vocabulary. For example, we have cancer, growth factor. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more words to memorize for the exams. Okay, that's page 136. Okay, next one, you have a cell division is uncontrolled in cancer. Over here, you have 5 words, to memorize. For example, the first one is cancer is the common name for a class of disease characterized by uncontrolled cell division. That is cancer. That's lesson 5.3. Okay, next lesson 5.4, asexual reproduction. Again, guys, over here, that's easy lesson because you have just 2 definitions to study, and they are in the first page of the lesson, page 140. And the last lesson to study is 5.5, multicellular life. Over here, you have another vocabulary to memorize: tissue, organ system, cell differentiation, and stem cells. Over here, guys, the same way. You have to study the different definition for the exams, but be careful, guys. In this lesson, I will give you some questions about the lesson. You had to memorize all those questions that I gave you guys in class for the exams too. For example, you have the stem cell classification. You had to memorize the types of cells. In this case, you have 1, 2, 3. For example, totipotent cells or stem, pluripotent stem cells, and multipotent stem cells. You have to memorize the 3 types of cell classification, okay? And you have a chart in figure 5.3. The stem cell classification is the same. You have the class totipotent and pluripotent and multipotent about the stem cell classification. This is the last part of the lesson of 5.5 and the last part for the third partial exam. See you guys. God bless you.